In this video, you'll learn how to create unique typography in Adobe Illustrator using cups as your design element, transforming ordinary shapes into extraordinary text. You can transform ordinary cups into stunning typography designs that will wow everyone, and I'll show you how.
Download a cup shape from Google, or you can easily create one yourself using the pen tool. It's a simple process to make.
Create a line using the shape tool and set its color to white. Then, copy the line by pressing Ctrl+D. Group all the white lines together. Then, select the Rotate tool, set the rotation angle to 90 degrees, and copy the lines to create vertical lines. Now set the vertical lines according to the cup, because where these white lines are, we will cut the image of the cup, so set it properly and work according to the number of parts you want to make the cup. Do it! My name is Humaira Laique and you are watching my video. There are many of my videos in front of you on HLGRAPHICS. Please go and watch them and subscribe to my channel. Now that a net of lines has been formed in front of you, merge it with the cup shape and select everything using the Selection tool. Go to the Pathfinder panel and click on the Divide button. This will separate all the lines. Next, use the Magic Wand tool to delete the unnecessary parts and fill as much of the black areas as possible using the same tool. Once you've completed the previous steps, make an additional cut at the top of the cup to achieve your desired number of squares. This will help refine the pattern to match your design needs. After completing the previous task, let's move on to selecting the font. The font I've chosen is called Ash. It's completely free, including for commercial and personal use. The Ash font is a stunning choice, with its elegant yet bold design. Its wide and tall characters make it incredibly easy to read, providing a strong visual presence that commands attention. The font's versatility and clean lines give it a modern appeal, making it perfect for both creative and professional projects. Its balanced proportions and free availability for both personal and commercial use further add to its appeal, making Ash not just a font, but a statement in design. We have the word cup. Now, we'll create an outline of the text, ungroup it, and then select all duplicates by pressing Ctrl+D. Now we have taken out many duplicate copies of it, its color is maroon here. Now we'll ungroup the cups and go to Arrange and select them on the top layer so the squares of the cups are at the top and our words are at the bottom.
Now our real work will begin.
Now grab an alphabet and a square with the help of the Selection tool. Go to the object. There at the bottom, click on Envelope Distorted. There are 3 options in front of you, in it. Select Make with Top Object.
We will repeat this process with all the pieces.
Envelope Distort is a great tool on Illustrator. With just a click of a button, what a big problem is solved in front of you and a beautiful typography appears in front of you. How easily text can be resized to any shape. This is what I love about Illustrator. How many big things we do through small buttons. And our time is not wasted. We complete our projects in a very short time and very easily. You should also learn Illustrator and use it. And watch my videos, in which I keep telling you tips and tricks related to Illustrator, and provides all the information about the keys and buttons in it. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your skills or a seasoned designer seeking inspiration, this video is packed with tips and tricks that will help you master typography in Illustrator. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own unique cup typography that stands out. Don't miss out on this creative journey. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more design tutorials. Here I have used a cup shape. You can use a glass shape, you can use a kite shape, or you can use a hand shape. There are many shapes in the world with which we can do typography. This technique can create some really striking visuals, especially when you experiment with different shapes and typography styles. If you need more specific tips or run into any issues, just let me know. Thanks for watching my video.